How to fix connection error on Roblox in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly swipe down to your control center, and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then open your Roblox and it will show all your accounts. Now go back to your home screen, and if it doesn't work properly, then simply open App Store and then search here Roblox. Now here you can check the Roblox update. Make sure you update your Roblox, and if you have an update of Roblox, then update it. After update, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.